Hello DIY friends and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make two really cute and spooky Halloween bowl decors using some Dollar Tree products. I found two of these items at a very expensive store. I don't know what it was, but it was online. I was like, that is really cute, but I want to do it on a budget. So let's begin. So I went into my catering section at my local Home Depot, found these two bowls that was perfect for the size and color, and then I went and got these stickers, and I'm going to be putting the word spooky onto one of the bowls. Now, the original bowl was very plain, literally just had the word spooky and nothing else, but I wanted it to be a little bit more gruesome, so I got some of my red fingernail polish, and my idea is to drip some of the polish down over the words around the entire bowl part to make it look like blood is oozing down, and then I will do a perimeter at the very top with the red as well, and I really like the way it came out. And this is how the bowl is going to look once you're done doing all of the fake blood. Okay, now we're going to grab that second bowl and we're going to get some black spray paint, and I'm going to go spray that all black. I'm going to let that dry, and now I'm going to take this spooky bowl, get my hot glue gun, put some hot glue around the base of the bowl, and then I'm going to sit it on top of this Dollar Tree spider that I saw. It was the biggest one I can find that actually fits perfect with this bowl. Trying to center it as best as possible, but the words are just so big, so I just put it down. Now I'm going to grab me two Dollar Tree candlesticks, and I'm going to put some hot glue on one of them so that I can connect them both together. Now once I connect these two, I'm going to allow them to dry, and then we're going to spray paint them black as well. Now that both items have been completely spray painted and dried how I want, I am now going to be assembling these using some Dollar Tree Halloween flowers. Now my idea is to utilize pieces of this flower so that I can make it look really spooky with some of the spiders off of this bouquet right here. So I only found three, some of them fell off I believe in Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be using some hot glue to attach these all over the two candlesticks just to make it look like the spiders are actually crawling up into the bowl so that it can give, that Halloween feel. Once again, I'm grabbing my hot glue gun and putting some hot glue around the top of the candlestick, and this is where I'm going to be placing the bowl to secure those two together. Okay, so once again, my ideas are like flowing. I'm like, okay, let me pop out these eyeballs and use these onto the actual bowl itself. So now I'm going to get my hot glue gun and put these eyeballs on the outside to make it look like the bowl is watching you. So, once again, trying to be spooky as possible on a Dollar Tree budget. Now I'm going to take that third spider and I'm going to place it on the bowl like it's almost inside of it. After putting the eyes on, I felt like this bowl was not doing it for me. It looked very plain still, so I went to the flowers and they had like these little plastic branch looking thingies on there, so I popped them off, put a little hot glue on there, and I decided to put one of them right in the middle of the eyes. I guess you can call it like its nose or mouthish, I don't know. And then I decided to turn it on around to the back side and put another one there as well, and I think it came out really, really good. Well, that is the end of my video today. I hope you like it. If you did, please share with your family and friends. And if you like my content, subscribe. Have a great one, and thank you again for watching my video.